Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'll show you how to order the Bts Arirang Gcash card. Before the pre-order starts, here's a quick guide so you'll know what to do on launch day. Once the pre-order opens, open your Gcash app. Go to the Gcash X Visa BTS World Tour Arirang promo page. Tap Order a Card to open the card order form. Select Send me a card if you want the card delivered to your address. Confirm your card details, especially your name. Fill out your delivery information. Pay using Gcash. Wait for your Bts Arirang Gcash card to arrive. Once you receive your card, make sure to link it properly to your Gcash account. Now, what are the uses of this card? Since the card is powered by Visa, you can use the BTS World Tour Arirang Gcash Visa card anywhere Visa is accepted. You can pay cashless even without internet by simply tapping your card. You can swipe, tap, and pay like a debit card in over 200 countries worldwide. You can also use it for online purchases, MRT3 rides, and withdraw money at Visa or BankNet ATMs locally and internationally. You can enjoy real-time exchange rates when buying in foreign currencies online or abroad, with your purchases reflected in pesos. Plus, you can get access to Visa-exclusive promotions. Can you order more than one Bts Arirang Gcash Visa card? No. Each user can only order one Bts World Tour Arirang Gcash Visa card. If you already have a Gcash card, you can still order the Bts Arirang Gcash Visa card, as long as you haven't reached the maximum active card limit of 3 cards, and you haven't already purchased the Bts Arirang card. Who can order the card? You need to be a fully verified Gcash user and have fewer than 3 linked Gcash cards. So when can you order the card? You can pre-order the Bts Arirang Gcash card starting on Army Day, July 9, 2026. The order form opens exactly at 12 p.m. Philippine time. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.